Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at 41 Balerno Circle here in central Gowanbrae. My name's David Vaughan. Today, an exceptional townhome residence on offer. Corner block, 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 separate bathrooms and off-street parking for 2 cars. Let's go take a wander. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What a fantastic opportunity we have on offer here today. Families, professional couples, downsizers, investors, this here is going to tick absolutely all the boxes. We look forward to seeing you at one of our open for inspections. Of course, if you can't make the open house time, feel free to contact myself or Richard Lowe and we will get you through on a private basis. Once again, thanks for taking the tour.